Hey there, girls and boys. Abby Brown here from Iowa PBS. Come wander and wonder with me. My friend Augie Froggy the Magnificent and I are going to be taking care of the creatures in our neighborhood. All right, Augie, there are lots of creatures in our neighborhood, aren't there? And some have wings and fly around and sing songs to us, don't they? Do you know the creatures I'm talking about?
Birds.
The birds, that's right. So one fun way to take care of the birds in your neighborhood is to make them a bird feeder. Can you help me make a bird feeder today? So it's simple. We just have a few things here, don't we? What is this?
Pine cones.
A pine cone and lots of them, don't we? And what's in here?
Bird food and peanut butter.
You got it. Pine cones, bird food, and peanut butter. And that's all you need to make a bird feeder for your neighborhood. Now, Augie, do you know what the birds in our neighborhood would do if we didn't make them a bird feeder?
They wouldn't have lots of food and they would have to find it on their own.
They would have to find it on their own. Birds know how to find their own food, don't they? But if we put a bird feeder in my backyard, what will happen?
They'll come and eat all the bird
Yeah,
food.
and if they're eating the bird food in my backyard, then I get to see them. Oh, nice. So some of the birds that live in Iowa, do you know any of the birds that live in Iowa?
I saw one of those red birds in my backyard.
Did you see one that looks like this? Do you know what that's called?
Cardinal.
It's a cardinal, and we know it's a cardinal because it's red and it has that cool thing. Go like this, right on top of his head. That's right. And do you know what this bird is that has the big orange belly?
Blackbird.
It's not a blackbird, it's a robin. And we have lots of robins in our neighborhood too. And what about this one? I'll give you a hint. This one is Iowa's state bird. Do you know what it is? It's a goldfinch. Do
I
you-
never saw a goldfinch before.
You haven't seen a goldfinch before? Well, you'll have to start watching for them. And maybe when you have your bird feeder in your backyard, one will come and eat it.
We have a bird feeder and my next door neighbors have a bird feeder.
So you already have lots of birds coming to your yard. The first thing we need is,
Pine cones.
yeah, so go ahead and just choose one. I like to pick the nice big ones, but any size will do. And these work perfect because they're already from outside. So we know that they're safe for the birds, right? So which one are you gonna use?
I think I'm gonna use this one.
Okay, the next thing we need to do is smear it with peanut butter, okay? And just smear it all over, just like that. Doesn't have to be perfect or pretty. Just smear it, and all of those individual little pieces from the pine cone will grab that peanut butter and keep it in place. So the peanut butter is just for my cupboard, but peanut butter is actually really, really good for birds because it's full of fat, all right? And this is perfect too because it'll stick inside of there and then hold the seed onto it. So, do you want to do the honors? You know what the next step is?
To fill this with seeds.
We're gonna fill it with seeds, that's right. So watch, there you go. And we'll just roll it around so that all that peanut butter will stick to all of the seeds. Go ahead. They look good, don't they? So now where do you think we should put these?
I don't know.
Well, I think we should
Well,
put
in
them
our in your backyard, of course.
in our backyard, of course. But do you know that there are other creatures who like birdseed other than birds? Did you know that? Squirrels really like birdseed.
I know that too.
Yeah, so we have to put this somewhere where the squirrels won't get it. Now, birds have wings for flying, right? So we have to put it somewhere where the bird can just fly to it, okay? And to do that, we have to put a string on it and hang it from the tree. That's perfect. Now, one of the things that we can do too is smash those seeds deep inside the peanut butter. Now, birds don't have fingers, do they, to reach inside and get all of those seeds? But what do they have that they could stick in there and grab those seeds that way?
Their mouth.
Their mouth, what do they have teeth or do they have a beak?
Beak.
They have a beak, and that beak can stick inside of there and grab all of those seeds, and they'll have a delicious treat. Today, Augie Froggy the Magnificent and I made...
Bird feeders.
Now we'll have these in our backyards and the birds will come and we'll get to enjoy them and look at them, maybe even take some pictures of them. What adventures will you go on?
Have fun with